I'm going to talk today about using the convert function in Excel to convert metric measurement to imperial measurement. I live in Canada and we use the metric system, and quite often I'm doing contracts for people in countries that still use the imperial system, so I have to quite often do this. So I'm going to, for example, change kilometers, and I've got 10 kilometers, and I'm going to change it to how many miles it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to click in the cell next to the miles, and we're going to go equals, and we're going to type in convert. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to select the 10, and then we're going to put a comma there, and it's asking what unit of measurement we're using. And I'm using kilometers, but they don't have kilometers, so I'm going to select meters. Now what I'm going to do, because a kilometer is 1,000 meters, I'm going to just put a small k in front of the m here. And then I'm going to put a comma, and then I'm going to select miles. Now their miles are listed as statute miles, and so I'm going to double click this. And so there we go, and I'm going to press enter. And so 10 kilometers works out to 6.2 or 213 miles. So now let's do the same thing for kilograms. So now I'm going to select, I'm going to convert kilograms to pounds. So I have 10 kilograms here, and how many pounds does that work out to? So I go equals, convert. Now I select my 10, and I'm going to put a comma, and I'm going to select grams. Now, similar to the kilometers, we have to just put a k in front of it to indicate 1,000. So we have kilograms, and I'm going to put a comma in here, and I'm going to select the pound mass right here. And I'm going to close my bracket, and I'm going to go enter. So that is 10 kilograms equals 22.04 pounds. Now let's go meters to feet. So now let's go equals. And I'm going to select my 10, and I'm going to select meters. And I can put another comma in, and then I've got foot. And there you go. 10 meters equals 32.8 feet. So the next one I'm going to do is I'm going to do square meters to square feet. So I'm just going to drag this down because we've already got it calculated up here for the 10, and now I've got it for 1. So basically all we have to do then is, back to your elementary math, you have to square both sides. So 1 square feet, and you square this. So let's go in here, and it equals this, and we're gonna put the symbol for the square, and we're gonna press enter. So 1 square meter is equal to 10.76 square feet. So that's how you do the simple conversions from metric to imperial systems with the convert function in Excel. Please subscribe.